Amira and the Secret Garden. Amira was a curious girl who loved to explore. One afternoon, while playing near the old forest, she saw something shining in the grass. It was a tiny golden key. She picked it up, wondering what it could open. As she walked further, she found an old wooden door hidden behind thick vines and wild roses. Her heart raced. She tried the key, and with a soft click, the door opened. Inside was a magical garden, unlike anything she had ever seen. Flowers glowed in every color. Butterflies sparkled like tiny stars, and the air smelled sweet and fresh. The trees whispered gentle secrets as the wind passed through their leaves. In the middle of the garden stood a silver fountain. Its water danced and shimmered. When Amira touched the water, it formed glowing words. Be kind, be brave, and the garden will stay alive. Amira wandered deeper. She met a colorful bird who spoke kindly. Welcome, Amira. This garden is alive because of kindness, but it is fragile. Will you help protect it? Amira nodded. Soon, she met a wise turtle who walked slowly along a shining path. Follow me, the turtle said. The garden has many secrets. The turtle showed her safe roads and warned her about hidden dangers. Amira also met a family of rabbits preparing a feast. They invited her to join them with strawberries, honey, and fresh carrots. She laughed and felt happy. But suddenly, the sky grew dark. The far side of the garden turned gray. Flowers closed and butterflies disappeared. The bird cried, "The garden is fading." Only kindness can bring back its light. Amira felt afraid, but remembered the fountain's words. She decided to act. She watered the thirsty flowers with silver water from the fountain. She sang softly to the butterflies who slowly came back to life. She comforted the rabbits, telling them everything would be okay. Step by step, the colors returned. The dark clouds lifted, and the butterflies danced again. The garden began to glow brighter than before. Amira kept exploring. She discovered a hidden corner where magical glowing fireflies lived. They surrounded her, lighting her path like lanterns. They whispered, "You are brave, Amira." She also found a secret tree with a golden door in its trunk. Inside, there was a small glowing book. When she opened it, the pages showed the story of her own adventure in the garden. She realized the garden was alive and watching her. Finally, the silver fountain shone brighter than ever. It whispered, "The greatest magic is a kind heart. Because of you, Amira, the garden will live forever." Amira smiled. She promised to return often to protect the garden and keep its magic alive. With a happy heart, she stepped out of the door, holding the golden key tightly, knowing she had found not only a magical place, but also the power of kindness inside her.